In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your Dasher Direct card number. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have received a physical Dasher Direct card, you will be able to use that to activate it through the latest version of their mobile app while you manage your card. And even though it is possible to find your Dasher Direct card number directly through the latest version of the app, this is going to be a virtual card, so keep that in mind. As of today, the only option that you have to see and find on the Dasher Direct card app is the virtual card number. So if you open the latest version of their app, switch over to the More tab at the bottom right corner of the screen after you sign into the account that has the card for Dasher Direct, and go into Manage Card. You will be able to view the virtual card. Like I said in the beginning, you only have the option to view the details about your virtual card, and as far as I know, they aren't going to be the exact same as the physical one, so keep that in mind. The only option to view the details about the physical one is obviously looking at the physical card itself, but if you see the option to view the virtual card, immediately upon selecting it, you will be redirected to a page that has the card number, the expiration date, security code, and the cardholder's name for the virtual Dasher Direct card. You can now copy all of those details and you will be ready to use it for online or in-store purchases if you attach the card to a digital wallet. Make sure you do this process through the latest version of the Dasher Direct mobile app, and as long as you activated your physical Dasher Direct card properly, the option to view the virtual card number is always going to be available. I hope I was able to help you on how to find Dasher Direct card number. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.